Today we are going to review how to search two literature databases. From the library homepage, go to Databases by Subject and select Literature. I would recommend you use the first two listed, Literature Resource Center and Literary Reference Center. We'll start with Literature Resource Center, and I also think this database would be a good jumping off point for you. Now, if you don't remember the database password, you can sign into your Edline account to get the information. In the search box, I want you to type the title of your short story. You may want to put it in quotations if your short story is more than one word. This ensures that the database will search for results, or hits, with all the words together rather than each word separately. This is true for any database. So I'm going to search The Telltale Heart. You'll notice the results default to the Literature Criticism tab. This is where you want to stay. On the right, you'll notice the descriptions of the type of article. We have a book review, we have critical essays, and so on. I would recommend that you stay clear of the book reviews. The critical essays are going to be more in line with the criticisms and analysis that you're looking for. To open an article, simply click on the title link. Here's some of my citation information here, and below is the body of my article. As you read and review different articles, you should be able to build a keyword bank. You will have keywords already. In my case, some of the keywords and phrases are Edgar Allan Poe, The Telltale Heart, terror, madness, and guilt. After skimming this article and several others, I'm able to add evil, time, mental illness, and obsession. You will be able to identify more keywords as you read more articles. Keywords are extremely important when it comes to database searching. You cannot put an entire sentence or question into a database search box. Instead, you pull keywords from your question you want to answer. My initial keywords were pulled from the question, how does Poe convey terror in The Telltale Heart? Now, at the bottom of this article, this rather lengthy article, you'll notice a list of works cited. This is a good indicator that this is a reliable source. The source citation is also provided at the bottom. You will want to copy and paste this as you research and add it to a Word document. This will save you time in the end, and you will be able to format them correctly later. MLA is the citation format we will be using, and it is the most commonly used format for literature and English coursework. Let's move on to the next literature database, Literary Reference Center. Now, there are different steps to follow with this database. That's why I wanted to go ahead and demonstrate it for you. This database is part of the Galileo family, and what I want you to do initially is just click the Advanced Search link here under the main search box. And the first thing is click the Full Text Limiter box. This is something special with the Galileo databases. This means that the articles you get back will be the entire article rather than just an introduction or summary. You'll notice my multiple search boxes here at the top. This is where your keyword bank will come in handy. To investigate the theme or themes of your short story, you will want to search your short story title and a theme together. Here you can see the Boolean operator options. And will give me more resources, and or will give me fewer. But I'm going to keep it with and. So what I want you to do is search the title and one of your themes from your keyword bank. Now you'll notice this note right here. This is letting me know that the results that I'm getting back are not exactly in line with the parameters that I put in the search boxes. So again, I can pull from my keyword bank and I'm going to try a different theme. Now remember, one of my new themes is obsession, but what I'm going to do is use the tool truncation, which means I can use a basic form of the word and add an asterisk at the end. And this way it will search any article with the telltale heart and the word obsess, obsession, and obsessed all at the same time, rather than making me do 3 separate searches. Okay, so you can see I have 5 results here, which is very manageable. And I'm going to go ahead and click on this first one. And I noticed that it is a book, but Master Plots is part of a very respected family of criticism reference literature. Same thing, you're going to click on the title link. And you'll notice here, again, a lot of my citation information is available. And also I have some subject terms, also called keywords. So if this article is particularly helpful and I want to find more like it, then I can add these keywords to my keyword bank. Now below is the body of my article. This is giving me a list of characters, the summary of the story, and a critical evaluation. This critical evaluation section is where I'm likely to find information about themes and symbolism. If I go all the way down to the bottom, it has some further reading suggestions, but that citation is not there like the previous database. So all you need to do is scroll up to the toolbar and click Cite. And then go down to locate the MLA format. And you would do the same thing to copy and paste. Next, we will learn how to use the library catalog and online books.